Hello and welcome back, everybody. If your Wi Fi is connected but there is no internet and you are looking out how to fix that issue, today we are going to guide you through some troubleshooting methods for that. So let's get started. We can restart our phone for that. We can start by doing so. Hold the power button for that and look out for the restart option. Or power off your device completely and wait for about a minute and then turn it back on and connect to the Wi Fi. That is the method available. If not that, you can just go over and make sure the airplane mode is disabled in your phone settings. So if this option is turned on right here, you can just go over and tap on it and you should be able to turn it off back and then connect to the Wi-Fi. And if this is not the issue, you can briefly turn on your mobile data to see if you can connect. That will help you determine if the issue is with the Wi-Fi network or your phone, and also try restarting your router if that's not the case. Apart from that, you can forget and reconnect to the Wi Fi once again. So go to your settings for that and go to your connected Wi Fi. Go to connections for that. And within connections, look out for Wi Fi and tap on it. And go to your Wi Fi and select settings. After you select settings, you can look out for the forget option in the bottom right corner and select it. And then again, add the network and be into the password to reconnect. And that should also be connecting. Your internet should be connecting once again. Also, you can update your phone's operating system. Go to settings for that. And within your settings, you can scroll down, look out for software update, and check for and install any kind of available software updates for your phone, as this can fix the bugs. And that's it. See if other devices can connect to the internet on the same Wi-Fi network. That should help to isolate the problem. Or sometimes it may be the provider's issue itself, so you can just go over and contact them as well. So that is it, everybody. Those are some of the solutions you can follow up to fix the Wi-Fi connected but not having internet connection. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.